Assalamu alaikum. As we know that IXL is improving its future to for teachers and for heads, so that we can monitor the growth of the student more appropriately. So I'm recording this video so that I can talk about some new features that IXL has recently introduced in the diagnostic tab of district analysis or analytics. IXL has introduced different features that directly can give you insight of what is going on in your schools, in your district, and you can see everything. So I would like to talk a bit on these features. First of all, we have different criteria that we can go through, like what is the effect of IXL, and skill gains, how many skills are mastered and how many skills are proficient and how many skills are just practiced. So you can see the breakup of those things. And extended learning has also their teachers engagement, how teachers are engaged with students, and their diagnostic labels. You can see everything here. But if you go just on dashboard, so you will have a glance overview of all of these heads, that you can see the details if you go to any particular head. So first you have the total question answered, so that you know how many students do we have in total, how many teachers are working on IXL, how many schools do we have on IXL. So this is our district analysis, and this is the tab of IXL effectiveness. So you can see that the goal was 65, but our students are answering more than that. That means our students are working more than IXL expects. So this is a very good sign, I think. And this is these skills that students are mastering. This is the proficiency area, and this is the skills that students are just doing practice, right? So this is something, and this is extended learning, means how students are working at home and how much time they are working in school. So this is 58% that they are working at home and 42% that they are working in a school. And we have to be in we have to keep this in mind, that if the students are working on the alternate day that is off for them for school, and if they are working at home, so they will be counted in school time, because IXL only consider what students are doing in school time and what they are doing in the rest of the time. So 58% the time that they are working on the rest of the time, maybe after 2 o'clock on every day. So that means there should be more percentage that students are working at home as compared to their working in school. This is the engagement, how teachers are engaged. So 100% teachers are active. And then we have the diagnostic level at glance. So you can see that 51% students diagnostic levels are updated in maths, and 58% are updated in English. Maybe you may be having in a question that why maths has low criteria than English. So because we are assigning them some particular skill of their grades according to their plans we have, that we are learning, that we are running parallel to IXL. So when a student, for example, a student is at grade 5 and we have assigned them the skill of grade 8 after teaching and after that giving the direct support. So when a student completes that skill of 8th grade, so IXL confuses that whether the student is in grade 5 or grade 8, and it normally may give ranges. That's why our most of the students have got range. So because of this, we have only 55% up to date students, and this is more in primary, right? So this is the information you can see. If I'm recording this video for head, so that you can easily take a glance and you can see whether we are improving or not. And here you can see that exact number of students who are up to date in English and maths both, and this is the number that we were looking for. The 153 students are working above their grade levels in math, and 54 students are working on above their grade levels in English. So this is the data that we are looking for, and if we want to see some more details of this data, which is very useful, so we can click on view report. So it will redirect us to the diagnostic labels tab, and here we can see the breakup. Above level, there are color that you can easily identify, and you can see, for example, if you go class 6, so you can see that this gray region, this is not up to date students. This is the students that are working on their far below their grade levels, and this is the student that they are below, and this is the student that they are above and on. So this is the, you can see the exact numbers are here. So you can see this, if you see the exact numbers, if you want to see, so you can see the exact numbers when you click this. For example, if you click 6, so it will give you the complete breakup and tell you how exact number of students. like for example, it is showing the percentage, and it is you showing you the exact numbers here, right? 10 students are on their levels, 23 students below their level, 137 students exactly far below their level, and 230 students not pinpointed. And here it has a criteria is normally very tough, because we have to make such arrangement according to this criteria, because it is considering above grade level if the student is 740 plus, being in grade 6. Normally it should be class 600, so it has a different criteria. So we can adjust this criteria, and we can take a sense what is going on. So this is exact number of maths, and this is exact number of English. And if you look at, if you want to see the exact names of the student, you can click on this. You will have a schools that in which school we have students above the sea level. So you can see that only in Qamar Bani Hashim Higher Secondary we have students who are above the sea level, not in any other school. Even on a grade level there is no student, only Qamar Bani Hashim school has this level. So, and if you want to see the schools, then you can click this, and if you want to see the student names, so you can click on this, and you can see the student level, and you can see their exact levels, right? So this is a new feature that we were looking for. It we can help us. So this is we should go through, and we can work accordingly. I hope this video will guide you accordingly, and you will be using these feature to guide us more. Thank you so much.